Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Dodge Challenger. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe night driving, ensuring you can see clearly without dazzling others. We'll cover the steps to correctly adjust both the vertical and horizontal aim of your headlights. This process is straightforward and can significantly enhance your driving experience after dark. Let's get started with the necessary preparations. Before you begin, park your Challenger on a level surface, about 25 feet from a flat wall. Make sure your tire pressure is set correctly and your fuel tank is at least half full to simulate normal driving weight. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape. Mark a horizontal line on the wall at the height of your headlight centers and a vertical line for each headlight center. These marks are essential for precise adjustments. Now, let's adjust the beams. Open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. Typically, one screw controls the vertical aim and the other manages the horizontal aim. Turn the screws slowly. Clockwise usually raises the beam or moves it to the right, while counterclockwise lowers it or moves it to the left. Adjust one headlight at a time, keeping the other covered to avoid confusion. Aim for the specified pattern on your wall. Once adjusted, the top of your low beam cutoff should be about 2 inches below the horizontal center line you marked. The brightest part of the beam should align with the vertical center line for each headlight. Take your Challenger for a test drive on a dark, level road to confirm the adjustments. If you're still unsure or encounter persistent issues, it's always a good idea to consult a professional for a precise alignment. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.